Introducing our TL series, versatile, battery-powered bike lights designed for everyday rides, offering powerful illumination up to 40 lumens, flexible mounting and reliable runtime performance of up to 100 hours. All three TL versions share advanced features. They are powered by an integrated 300 mAh battery, combining high-efficiency brightness with exceptional endurance. The adaptive lighting modes with memory function provide the right light for any riding scenario. With built-in USB-A charging, recharging is easy and cable-free. The quick-release mounting system supports diameters from 22.2 to 35 mm, allowing both vertical and horizontal installation on forks, handlebars, seat posts, carriers, and more. The rear lights fit seat post angles between 70 and 90 degrees for optimal alignment. Every model meets CE, RoHS, and REACH compliance to meet international standards. Starting with the TL01, a red rear light delivering up to 25 lumens. It features 5 lighting modes ranging from high and standard brightness levels to strobe, flash, and eco. With a runtime of up to 70 hours, it's built for lasting visibility and efficient performance. Next, the TL02, a white headlight delivering up to 40 lumens. It offers the same versatile lighting modes as TL01 and extended runtime of up to 100 hours, making it ideal for riders who need dependable light and long-lasting power. And finally, the TL03, a compact red rear light with a maximum output of 20 lumens and 2 modes for simple, reliable illumination. The TL03 is fully compliant with K-Mark and ISO 6742 standards, ensuring trusted visibility that meets German safety regulations. All three versions include the light itself, the mounting bracket, and 2 rubber straps in different sizes for easy installation. Discover all our products and more information on our website. For that, visit www.litemove.com. Thank you for watching.